Number 3. A number and its reciprocal have a sum of 13 over 6. Find the larger of these two numbers. So before we solve this problem, intindihin muna natin ano ibig sabihin ng reciprocal. Recall natin na ng concept ano ibig sabihin ng reciprocal. Okay. Example. What is the reciprocal of 1? What is the reciprocal of 1? Right? So, given a number, hanapin natin yung reciprocal niya. Right? Reciprocal. Reciprocal. So, for example, 1. Anong reciprocal ng 1? Okay. Notice na yung 1 is pareho lang ng 1 divided by 1. Diba? 1 divided by 1 is 1. So, you can write 1. Pwede isulat ng 1 as a fraction. Yung denominator lang niya, denominator niya is equal to 1. So, 1 is equal to 1 over 1. Ano yung reciprocal niya? So, para makita ang reciprocal, where is my... Nawala ang pointer, wait. Para kunin ang reciprocal, just ibaylo lang ang denominator of numerators in this case. The reciprocal is 1 over 1, which is also equal to 1. So, reciprocal ng 1 is also equal to 1. Now, let's try another number, 2. How about 2? Anong reciprocal ng 2? 2, ang denominator ng 2 ay 1, diba? Kasi 2 over 1, 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. So, ang reciprocal niya is, baylo ang denominator and numerator, it's 1/2. How about 3? 3 can be written as 3 over 1, so your reciprocal niya is 1/3. Right? Another. What if variable naman? What if it's x? X. Anong reciprocal ng x? Again, similarly sa ginawa natin, we can write x as x over 1. So, x over 1 is still equal to x. At ang reciprocal niya is 1 over x. So, ibig sabihin, ang reciprocal ng x ay 1 over x. So, ito ang gagamitin natin sa form ng equation for number 3. And that will be the next part of this video. So, we are now ready to interpret this sentence, the given problem. So, sabi niya, a number and its reciprocal have a sum of 13 over 6. So, meron kang number, tapos may reciprocal. Pag i-add mong dalawa, ang result is 13 over 6. So, let x be the number. X be the number. Reciprocal niya ay 1 over x. Kasi si x, pwedeng maisulat as x over 1. So, ang reciprocal niya is 1 over x. Pag i-add mo daw ng dalawang to, ang result ay 13 over 6. Now, kailangan natin tong i-add, i-simplify tong dalawang term na to. So, para malaman yan, we find the least common denominator. Paano hanapin ang least common denominator? Simplest way is just to multiply the denominators, actually. So, 1 times x is x. X. Ano naman sa numerator? Okay, this is a shortcut. This is the first time that I'm gonna be teaching it. Shortcut dito is you cross-multiply mo ang mga elements. like this. Paano na cross multiply? So, maglagay ka ng line like that. So, x times x is x squared plus 1 times 1 is 1. So, that's the shortcut. But actually, ang mathematically, ang ginawa talaga dyan is x, what we did here is x divided by, yung denominator x divided by 1 is x, times x is x squared, tapos plus x divided by x is 1 times 1 is 1. So, ang shortcut is just cross multiply. Like that. Okay. So, this is equal to 13 over 6. Again, cross multiply din. Cross multiply. So, that's 6 times x squared plus 1 equals, second part, 13 times x, 13x. Distribute ang 6. So, 6 times x squared, 6x squared. 6 times 1, 6 times 1. 6 times 1 is 6 equals 13x. So, kailangan natin tong isulat sa standard form. Okay? Standard form, if nakalimutan na, i-review natin. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So, yan ang standard form. So, sulat natin ganyang form. So, gagawin, dapat itong right side na to dapat 0 lang. So, gagawin, transpose natin si 13x sa left side. So, 6x squared. Diretso na ako ha. Negative 13x plus 6 equals 0. So, pwede, kung mag-step by step yung ka, pwede nyo isulat nga 6x squared plus 6 minus 13x. Dayon, so pwede nyo isulat ana para makita dyan ha. Plus 6 minus 13x equals 0. And then, commute, i-baylo silang duha. So, we have equation 6x squared minus 13x plus 6 equals 0. So, we have a quadratic equation. And the best way, I think, in my opinion, to solve this is through using the quadratic formula. And that will be in the next part of this video. This is the next video.